Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. This is Kisi Tech at your service, and I'm thrilled to have you here for another deep dive into the world of innovative technology. Today, we're shining the spotlight on a device that's been making waves in the smartphone industry, the Tecno Spark 10. If you're a proud owner of this stellar device or considering one, then you're definitely in the right place. The Tecno Spark 10 has gained popularity for its sleek design, impressive features, and affordability, making it a favorite among budget-conscious consumers who don't want to compromise on quality. From its vibrant display to its powerful performance, the Spark 10 offers a balanced experience that caters to both everyday users and tech enthusiasts alike. But, like any electronic device, it's not immune to wear and tear. Over time, some users may encounter issues with the LCD display, be it a cracked screen, unresponsive pixels, or display malfunctions. Today, we're focusing on an essential aspect of maintaining and extending the lifespan of your Tecno Spark 10, the LCD replacement process. Whether your screen has suffered an accidental drop, or you're simply looking to upgrade or repair a damaged display, understanding the ins and outs of LCD replacement is crucial. We'll walk you through everything you need to know, from identifying when it's time to replace your LCD, to the tools involved, step-by-step procedures, and best practices to ensure a successful repair. Why is LCD replacement important? The LCD, liquid crystal display, is the heart of your smartphone's visual interface. It's responsible for presenting all the visual content, from your home screen, apps, videos, to important notifications. When the LCD is compromised, it can significantly affect your device's usability and overall user experience. Cracks or dead pixels not only hinder your interaction with the device, but can also lead to further internal damage if left unaddressed. Replacing the LCD restores your phone's visual clarity and ensures your device remains functional and aesthetically pleasing. Signs that indicate you might need an LCD replacement: cracked or shattered screen after an accidental fall, black spots or dead pixels on the display, flickering or unresponsive touchscreen areas, discolored or distorted display colors, complete screen blackout or no display at all. If you notice any of these issues, it's advisable to consider replacing your LCD sooner rather than later to prevent further internal damage. What does the LCD replacement process involve? Replacing the LCD is a delicate task that requires patience, precision, and the right tools. It involves disassembling your Tecno Spark 10 carefully to access the internal components, disconnecting the damaged display, and then installing a new LCD assembly. It's crucial to follow a systematic approach to avoid damaging other components or voiding your warranty. Replacement LCD assembly product link in the description. Guide to LCD replacement. 1. Remove any SIM or SD cards. 2. Heat the edges of the device slightly to soften adhesive. 3. Remove the damaged LCD assembly completely. 4. Connect the new LCD, ensuring all flex cables are securely attached. 5. Test the display before sealing the device fully. Caution and tips. Work in a clean, dust-free environment. Keep track of all screws and small components. Be gentle to avoid cracking new LCDs or damaging internal connectors. If you're unsure or uncomfortable performing the replacement yourself, it's best to seek professional repair services. Conclusion: replacing the LCD of your Tecno Spark 10 is a cost-effective way to extend your device's lifespan and keep it looking and functioning like new. While the process might seem complex at first, with patience and the right tools, it's definitely doable. Remember, if you're not confident in your skills, professional repair shops can handle the job efficiently and safely. For those interested, we've included a direct link to the LCD replacement kit in the description below. Make sure to choose a compatible and high-quality replacement to ensure optimal performance. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips, reviews, and tutorials. Drop your questions or share your experience with LCD replacements in the comments. We love hearing from you. This is Kisi Tech signing off for today. Stay tech savvy and keep exploring the amazing world of technology.